Hey, just want to make a quick video of the Z. Been on vacation all week, so my vacation's almost over. I wasn't able to get as much done as I thought I could. I did get the engine bay completely stripped out of most everything that's unnecessary. Well, for me anyway, and just got it painted and made it look real nice. That way all the pretty parts will pop. I had my coilovers that I stripped out of my 89 car. Somebody had put an 85 knuckle, welded one of them to an 85 knuckle. The car was wrecked before, so that's way too close to the wheel if you're running an 85 knuckle, just because it's not a wide body car. So I went ahead and cut that one off, and I'm gonna re-weld it on the one that's on this car. So I'm hopefully gonna have my coilovers on before the weekend's out. We'll see how that goes. Next thing, I got a really good deal on some tires. And they're all the same, which is crazy because it came from two different people. I got two 275 4018s and two 255 4018s, $100 a piece, brand new, never installed. So that was a killer deal. I'm gonna mount them on them Varstoens. I got 18 by 9.5s in the front and 18 by 10.5s in the back. Tires were really pretty stretched. The front was running a 225 and the rear was a 255. So we're gonna fix that issue. Like I said, there's that turbo subframe that coilover come off of, and there's my other one. And those are z31 Yannica coilovers is what I got. So I'm just using what I got for right now. Engine wise, the crankshaft is in, main studs are done, they're all torqued down, and I just finished putting all my pistons and rods together with rings and all. So I numbered them per cylinder that I adjusted the rings to. And I set my top ring at 0.024 and the second ring at 0.026. So the recommended, let's see, where's it at? It probably blew off the table. Yep, there it is over there. Hang on. The recommended was 0.070, which would be 0.024 and 0.025. So I went slightly over that, and I had already added 1,000 to my piston wall clearance. So all that's already done. All my second rings were pretty much 0.026 out the box, so that actually worked out pretty well. But another thing I was thinking about, I don't know if you guys want to comment on this or not. I'd appreciate the comments. Let me turn this fan off so you can hear me. Okay, so I got this JP fiberglass front Daytona bumper, and it don't fit a wide body. So I still got the shaved rear and the 3-piece ducktail that I'm gonna put on the car. But what I was wondering about this is, could I take and separate this bottom piece or cut this bottom piece off my mint OEM bumper, which I don't know. I really hate not to be able to use any part of this because they're kind of expensive. But what I was thinking about is separating this and then taking and cutting this all the way across and just grafting this lower fascia onto the OEM bumper. I don't know if it would work or not. I thought I'd give it a try. At least try to just go ahead and cut this up anyway, unless one of you wants to buy it for $100. But really, I mean, I don't really have any other options with it. I got to do something with it. So let me know your thoughts on that. Other than that, that's where I'm at. I'm only gonna be able to finish my bottom end this weekend because my main stud or my head studs are still not gonna be here till Tuesday. And I am backed up on work. You know, you go on vacation, you get backed up on work. I probably got about a month and a half worth of work just for myself to do as soon as I get back from vacation. So I might be able to just put the studs in and set the heads down, you know, at the time, but we'll just take and see. I don't know if I showed you guys this, my heads are not yet, but I got the heads fully built. They're just refreshed and all with ISKI cams, 280, 485, and then duration and lift, and then Schneider springs. And then I went with Ferrea plus 1mm valves on everything. So these things are set and ready to go. Should turn up to 7,500, 8,000 RPM, I believe. I'm running ACL main and rod bearings, and basically ARP everything. I got ARP exhaust studs, ARP flywheel bolts, main studs, head studs are coming. And the head gasket, at the time, I couldn't get an MLS, so I ended up getting Ishino stone from Japan. So I heard these hold up pretty decent, so we'll give it a try and see exactly how good it holds up. But yeah, that's about it. Like I said, let me know on that bumper what you guys think, because I'm really curious if that'll work or not. I think it'd be kind of neat, and I need to do something so I can get some measurements for an intercooler, because I got to have a custom intercooler made. But yeah, we'll see you next time.